Take the head off it. I don't want to feel like I'm eating something alive. Fuck all that shit off. We don't need vegetables. I don't know why people ruin shit with vegetables. Just fuck them off. And that head on the fish. LA street food was that. What is that? Oh, heaven on a stick. I don't even know what it was. It looks amazing. Fuck, you'd buy that in a heartbeat, wouldn't you? And then your heart would probably stop beating.